Hello. Today we will discuss about the computer basics. So there are many types of computer including the types of the computer. First, supercomputers. What is supercomputers? So are used to process very large amounts of information including processing information to predict hurricanes, satellite images and navigation, and process military war scenarios. Two, the mainframes computers. So used by government and businesses to process very large amounts of information. The third one is the mini computers are similar to mainframes. They are used by business and government to process large amounts of information. And the last one is the personal computers. So personal computers, also known as PC, are smaller and less powerful than the others. They are used in homes, schools, and small businesses. So types of computers. So there are three main types of PC. One, desktop. Two, the portable notebook or the laptop. So what is the portable notebook or laptop? When portable notebook or laptop computers were first created, they were huge. They weighed around 100 pounds and were carried in a large luggage suitcase. The creators of the portable notebook or laptop computer dreamed that one day it would be the size a notebook or pocket dictionary. With today's technology, we have been able to accomplish this goal in more handheld. So, a network is a group of computers that share information and hardware. The computers are connected together using copper, phone wires, fiber optic cables, or radio waves. Our computers are on network here at school. Look under the table and see the blue wires that connect your computer to the network. The internet is many networks around the world that are all connected together to make one huge network. So that are the connection of networks. So there are parts of a computer. There are two basic parts that make up a computer. First one, the hardware, and the other one is the software. So what is hardware? Hardware is basically anything that you can touch with your fingers, such as computer case, the CPU or central processing unit. Example dyan yung Pentium chip or any chip with CPU represents monitor, keyboards and mouse, disk drive, zip drive, CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, hard drive, memory or the RAM, speakers and the printer. Those are the hard drive components. Also, there are three types categories of hardware: the input devices, output devices, and storage devices. So what is input devices? Input basically means getting data into the computer to be processed. Example, the keyboard, mouse, trackball, touchpad, light pen, laser scanner, point and stick, touchscreen, barcode reader, scanner, microphone, and joystick. So, how about the output devices? Output basically means getting data out of the computer. The examples are monitor, printer, speakers, headphones, modem, and fax. While the storage devices are both input and output devices in one. So a storage device is a place to keep data that has been processed so that it can be retrieved at a later time to be used again. So the examples are the hard disk, floppy disk, CDs or DVDs, magnetic tape, flash memory or the jump drive, or yung flash drive. So we come now for the software components of a computer. So what is software? So software is the programs and applications that tell the computer what to do and how to look. Computer programmers write the codes, instructions that make up software applications programs. And third one, HTML is a type of computer programming language that allows programmers to make web pages. So the next two slides show that HTML codes look like in the web page the codes produce. Okay, so ito yung example ng HTML na ginagawa sa Notepad. Ayan. Yung mga command and ito yung source niya. Okay, so two types of software. Number one, the application software. The next one, the operating system software. These two types of software are all parts of a program. Okay, so operating system software so directs all the activities and set all the rules for how the hardware and software will work together. Example would be DOS or DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98, ME, NT, Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, on Unix, Linux, Mac System, DOS over 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So nowadays, the version of Windows 7 upgraded to Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Command line operating systems. So those command or those is an example of command line operating system. So example of those command. On the next slide, notice that there are no icons with regards in those command, colors, mouse pointer, buttons. You have to memorize commands in order to use this text-based operating system. So this is the command line in DOS operating system. So ito yung DOS command po. So operating system, the GUI or the graphical user interface. So uses features the icons to represent files, folders, disk drives, modems, printers, and etc. GUI were created to make using a computer easier, more interesting, non-threatening to inexperienced users. Also, a mouse allows users to point at something and click to make it work. With command line, you have to have all of the commands to make your programs work. Here's the example of the GUI or the graphical user interface. So all of the icons that you have see in the desktop, these are the GUI. The icon represents what is the application it's all about. Okay? So application software, programs that work with operating system software to help the computer to do specific types of work. So the application of software also, there are six basic types of application software. Number one, business software. The word processors, spreadsheets, and database programs. Communication software allows computer to communicate with other computers. Fax software, mobile netware, AOL, modem software. Number three, graphics software. Software that allows users to create and manipulate graphics, such as Photoshop, PrintShop, and many more. Number four, education and reference software, such as the programs that help teach new material and ideas, and programs that can be used to find information. The Encarta, World Book Encyclopedia, Jumpstart Kindergarten, and the Microtype. Number 5. Entertainment and leisure software, such as the Warcraft, Age of Empires, Barbie Design Center, Mrs. Pac-Man, or The Solitaire. These are the entertainment and leisure software. Number 6. Integrated software combines several types of software into one program or package, such as the spreadsheet, database communication reference or print shop, graphic word processor. So these are the examples of the software, the games, and application. Okay, so that's all po. Thank you and hope you like my topic about the computer basics. Thank you so much, guys.